Okay. All right.
Okay.
And Abigail is not coming.
No.
No.
Okay.
I'm glad you know how to do that. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. I do this in all my other classes, so no problem. I just have to remember to go live. I always forget
Yeah,
to
you
go
are.
live.
So you do it. So you do it in all your other classes, then. So I've got to get mine fixed before my other classes, huh?
You know what? This is the first semester out of the last 2.5 years. This is the first semester I've used Google Hangouts. Otherwise,
Oh,
it's always
really?
been Adobe Connect or Skype or whatever.
Okay.
So
All
this
mine
is,
have been in the Skype with the teacher's login.
yeah. So
Oh,
this is
okay.
new.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Yep.
So number 2, we put G.
Mm-hmm.
Are we supposed to write G? Just lowercase?
That's what I did.
Okay.
I think. I don't know. I hope we don't get it wrong.
Yeah, that's kind of
Yeah,
weird.
just type in the letter.
Okay, in the
It
answer
says
box, type in the letter A, B,
Yeah,
C.
type
Yep.
in the letter.
Okay.
Okay, maybe we should read the instructions. And I do it lowercase, I guess. Okay, number 3 is D.
Yep. I think.
Whoa.
So Susan, you jump in if you think your answers are different.
Ah,
Okay.
you don't have to worry about that. Because the dog, you said?
Okay, do you have a question on that one, Susan?
No, yeah, the letter D as in dog.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, number 3 is F.
Yep.
Did you do these ahead of time?
Well, I did. These are the review questions.
So you already did them.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yep.
Oh, do you want to go through them?
No. I just you always amaze me at how fast you are. So.
Well, no, these are done. I'm just reading answers off of my paper.
Okay.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, and then 5 is C. And then 6 is F.
No, wait.
No. Sorry. I'm reading off of we're a question off now.
Yeah, I hate that.
Okay, so 6, okay, wait, I better back up. Okay, so 2 is G, 3 is D, 4 is F, 5 is C, 6 is C. Is that right?
Yes, paired samples, yes.
7 is F.
7 is 2 proportion. Yes.
And the Oreo one is D,
Yes.
as in dog.
Yes.
Do we want to go over any of those?
Yeah, Susan, do you have any questions on that?
No, I'm good with those.
Okay.
We matched.
Okay. 8 is C, or
Wait.
not 8. 9 is C, the probability of the type 1 error.
Yes.
Okay.
11 is B.
Okay, wait.
The second one?
Yeah, 10. We got to go do 10 first. The probability of observing a sample statistic more extreme than one actually obtained, assuming the null hypothesis is true, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Sorry. On the review sheet, it's B.
I know.
I know. Yeah, sorry.
Okay. 10 is, or 11, okay.
I know. I hate it.
The next one is 95% of all 95. It's the last one.
Yes.
And 12 is 0.30.
Mm-hmm.
The next one is 0.046.
Yes.
The next one is 0.138.
Yes.
The next one is the last one.
Wait, that doesn't match
No.
mine.
Hey, it doesn't match at all. It's 0.003 and 0.029.
Yes. Okay, wow. Why did they do that?
I don't know. We better watch them though.
Yeah.
The next one is the null hypothesis. P1 equals P2. P1 is not equal to P2. So that's
Yes.
the second one.
Uh-huh.
Susan, are you okay?
Yep, I'm good.
The next one is 1.458.
Yes.
18 is 0.145.
Yep.
The next one is, yes, I failed to reject the null.
Yes.
The next one is 6.580.
Yes.
The next one is 0.087.
Yes.
The next one is no, the p-value is greater than 0.05.
Yes.
Are you
Sorry.
good, Susan?
Yep, I'm good.
Okay.
The next one is no, I failed to reject the null. No,
Wait,
where are
wait,
we?
wait.
Where are we? Hold on.
That's not the right question. Okay, we have should you reject the null or not explain. That's number 22, and we said no, the p-value is greater than 0.05. Now we have what do you conclude based on your results?
Yeah. Okay. All right, so we got to switch this.
Yeah.
I got to go back up and see what we were doing.
Yeah. All right, it's the p-value is greater than, so we fail to reject, which means we have insufficient evidence, right?
Yeah, but now wait a second. This is what we got wrong on the last one. First of all, it has to be not dependent, so we have to choose an answer that is not dependent, right?
Oh, yes.
Remember we got this one wrong?
Yeah.
What do you mean not independent?
Yeah,
Okay,
not
so the last part of the sentence has to read not independent because we have to restate the alternative hypothesis.
okay, so then it's going to be the third one because we have insufficient evidence to say that being a morning or evening person is not independent on age.
Okay.
Is that right?
Okay, I don't think so. I think it's we have sufficient evidence to say that being a morning or evening person is not independent because we're accepting the alternative hypothesis, right?
Yeah, you're failing to reject it.
Yeah, the null. So, oh, wait a minute. So we're
But if we fail to reject, we have insufficient evidence.
right, but okay, so hold on, because I'm going to go. I can't do it. Okay, I'm going to go on my. Give me a second. I'm just going to go pull up our group quiz.
Okay.
Wait, when did we do that? Let's
see.
Thursday.
Okay, give me a second here. So that would have been week 9.
Yeah, part 2.
Part 2, lesson 19, our group meeting.
Yeah.
Okay, so, all right.
Oh, yes, you're right. It says because the p-value is lower than the level of significance, that means we have sufficient evidence to suggest. Oh, but wait, our p-value was higher on this.
Yeah. So, but So do we say insufficient or sufficient?
I think it's insufficient because we are failing to reject. When we fail to reject, then that means there is insufficient evidence.
Yeah, I have written we have insufficient evidence to suggest there is a difference. That was a different question, but rejecting is the status quo. Fail to reject it.
Okay, so which of the following okay, there is sufficient evidence that shows that gender and voting preferences are not dependent. That okay, so you're saying we should say we have insufficient evidence to say that being a morning or evening person is okay, but that contradicts each other because oh no, I guess it doesn't. Oh. All right, let's just put that.
Okay, well, hold on. Let's find our not independent and our independent notes and see what it is. Let's see. Okay, hypothesis test for independence. Okay, the alternative hypothesis. Okay, let's think this through. So we are saying that we have the alternative hypothesis is what we're saying, right?
Okay, yeah. So what did we do? The P is low, reject the null. So we failed to reject the null, right?
Yes.
So then we would to reject.
So that means there is no difference.
We have insufficient evidence to state that the variables are not independent.
But if we have insufficient evidence, we're saying we don't have enough evidence to say they are not sufficient. So then why don't we say we have sufficient evidence to say that being a morning or evening person is independent on age?
Because in the hypothesis test for a test of independence, when we're using independent and not independent, the null hypothesis says that they are independent. The alternative hypothesis says they are not independent.
Right. So we are failing to reject the null.
Mm-hmm.
So then we say there is insufficient evidence to suggest that they are not dependent.
Yes.
Right?
Right, because whenever we're stating what evidence we have, we state the alternative hypothesis.
Yeah. Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
I don't know on that one, but that's what I think that's right.
That's what sounds right to me too. We just got it wrong that last time, and I felt that it was right, and then we got it. You know what I mean?
Right. Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Uh-oh, we lost Susan.
Oh, shoot. Okay, so what question was that? That was 23 on there, and it should have been
22 on
here. Uh-oh. Should we wait for her?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right, because I have right here, it says, oh, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so I have fail to reject the null hypothesis. There is insufficient evidence to suggest that, and then state the alternative hypothesis, which is not dependent.
Yes.
Not independent.
Independent, yes. Okay.
Are you
Hi,
still
Susan.
there?
Yes.
My computer completely went off the internet.
Oh.
But the one I'm connected to BYU didn't change.
Oh.
Oh, good. All right, so let's keep going.
So what'd you decide? I missed your conversation.
Okay.
Okay.
It's number 3. But we have insufficient evidence to say that being a morning or evening person is not independent on age.
Okay. Well, that's the first one you did.
Yeah, I think that's right, but I don't know for sure, but I think that's right.
I think
Okay. The next one is point 0.190 and 0.310.
Yes. Okay, let's see. Do we want to make sure that the question is the exact same?
Yes. Yeah, it looks good to me.
Okay, good.
The next one is 1,537.
Yeah.
The next one is the null hypothesis P equals 0.2, and the alternative hypothesis is greater than 0.02. So it's it's the third one.
Yes.
The next one is the third one.
Mm-hmm.
1.768 is the next one.
Yep.
0.039.
Yep.
Yes, I rejected the null hypothesis. This is why I can't learn this stuff, because we say it different every single time.
Every time.
Sure they're trying to teach us how to really understand it, but it totally confuses me.
I agree.
I hope that's right. Okay, the next one is, okay.
So 30 is the first one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so then we have 0.282.
3, 8. Oh, yeah. Are we just doing it to the third?
Yeah, 3 decimal places, and put the lower bound in the first box.
Okay,
Upper bound in the second.
293, right? 0.293?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, and then the next one is the degree of freedom is 99.
Yes.
Are you okay with that, Susan?
That just seems high.
Well, we had 100. We had 100 sample sizes. So the degrees of freedom is the sample size minus 1.
Minus 1. You're right.
And the next one is minus 2.803.
Okay.
Yep.
The next one is 0.006.
Yep.
Okay, and the next one is, let's make sure it's right. It's the last one. We have sufficient evidence to say that the true mean is different than 2.95.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
We are rejecting the null, which means we have sufficient evidence, right?
Yep.
And just double check.
Yep.
Reject the null, we have sufficient evidence. Yes.
Okay. The next one is, now I am not sure about these at all.
Yeah, I'm not sure either.
So I have 8.72, it would be 8.
Yeah.
And then 10.455.
Yep.
What'd you get, Susan?
Those.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. 8.72 and 10.455.
Okay, are we supposed to do it to the third decimal? So it's 8.728.
What is it?
10.455. Then the next one is, this one doesn't make any sense to me, 22.446.
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense to me either. But I have done it so many times. I
have too.
And I don't know, I mean, if it's a different way, then I don't know the different way to do it. So
I don't either. Susan, what'd you get?
That. So now I'm getting confused.
Okay, the next one is 40. And the next one is definitely 0.000.
Yes. Yes, yes.
And then yes, because we rejected the null.
Yep. Right? Is that right? Okay, based on your results of this test.
There is enough evidence to suggest that the children are taller in the morning.
Yeah.
The P is low, reject the null. So what's the question? You want to determine if the children are taller in the morning than in the evening.
Mm-hmm.
And we rejected the null.
So yes,
So,
there's
yes,
there
they
is
are.
sufficient evidence. Yes, there's enough evidence, right?
Yes,
I think
I
so.
think so. All right, do we want to go over anything?
No. No, just tell me is there one rule for rejecting the null?
If P is low, reject the null. So if P is lower than your level of significance, which is either 0.01, 0.05, or 0.10, depending on what they're asking for, if it's lower than any of those, you reject the null.
Mm-hmm.
Did I say that right?
Yes.
If P is low, reject the null.
Okay.
If P is lower than the level of significance, which is they'll give
Yeah.
it to you, but it's usually been 0.05, Susan.
Okay. Then what's the other law for fail to reject?
There
If it's
isn't.
higher.
You either, yeah, if it's low, you reject the null. If it's higher, then you fail to reject the null.
Mm-hmm.
Then why do they give you all those other options all the time that confuse me?
To confuse you, that's why.
Join the club. I don't know. This was like one of the hardest assignments I've done.
Yeah, me too.
So
I don't
if that level of
trust myself on these, but should we just submit it?
Yeah.
yeah.
I just got to make sure when I was talking that I filled in all of them.
Okay, well, we can go back through. Do you want to go back through it?
Yeah, let's run back through them quick. Okay, so 2 is G, 3 is D as in dog, 4 is F, 5 is C, 6 is C, 7 is F, 8 is D as in dog, 9 is the third one, 10 the second, 11 the fourth, 12 the fourth, 13 the second, 14 the first, 15 the third, 16 the second, 17 the fourth, 18 the fourth, 19 the second, 20 the first, 21 fourth, 22 the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, the p-value is greater than 0.05. 23 third, 24 third, 25 second, 26 third, 27 third, 28 first, 29 second, 30 first, 31.282 and 0.293. 32 is 99 and negative 2.803. Is that right?
Yep.
Yes.
33.006. 34, the fourth one. 35, 8.728 and 10.455. These are killing me.
I know.
36 is 22.446. 37 is 40. 38 is 0.000, and 39 is the first one.
Yep.
You don't even want to say the words, do you?
Oh. We got a 89. I'll take it.
Oh, wow.
Oh, we got those stupid first ones wrong.
See, I just don't understand those, I guess.
I don't either.
All right. Bummer. Okay.
See, and I
All right,
and
well,
I
look,
changed
Lori,
your
number
mind
19.
on those.
On number 19, there's that one that we talked about for so long. I wonder if it is the no, I failed to reject. See, I just don't understand that then. I do not understand that. But look at this, the end one, the one that we struggled on so much we got right.
Okay, so yeah, darn those. And it doesn't give us the correct answer.
No,
Okay, so what was the p-value?
Well, after a while, won't it?
Yeah, 0.145. Is there sufficient evidence to include that the true proportion of people who experience dizziness while taking agripril? Yes, because so it must be no, because I failed to reject the no. I guess you have to go back and read the question again.
Yes, so.
So were those
That
the
just does
three?
not make sense to me.
But the other one we got right, 23 we got
I know.
right.
Yeah, I know.
Gosh, all the calculations we get right, and it's those darn.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
Well, maybe
No.
they worded something wrong and that we'll get a note about it.
Yeah, we will. And see, I am just not very good at these independent, deciding which test it is at all. I don't know. But see, they didn't really tell us that. They don't teach us that very well at all.
No, it's just one little slide in the PowerPoint.
Yeah.
Well, they don't give us things like this to.
Yeah.
I mean, because here they're putting in, I don't know.
Well, that's what in my other statistics classes I've taken other places. They give you a website to use with the college books, and you can sit and practice and practice and practice till you get it right.
Oh.
You know, this is
More statistics classes? What are you doing that for?
wasn't an option. It was required, but that was it was just a section in the higher math book.
Uh-huh.
Practice. In this, you don't have any practice.
I know.
Those are so hard for me.
Me too. So, okay. Well, bummer.
Well, I
All right,
think.
good luck on the exam.
Thank you.
When are you taking yours, Stephanie?
We'll see if I do it this evening or maybe tomorrow morning.
Good luck.
All right, bye, guys.
Bye. Happy Thanksgiving,
Happy
you guys.
Thank you. You too.
See you next Tuesday.
Okay.